Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. I hope that all is well and good. I hope everybody is in a safe place, in a safe space. And what I want to bring to you today, guys, is future project again. Remember I told you guys I had some Hennessy bottles? I had a Hennessy bottle that was part of a collaboration. It already has a hole in the bottom where you could put a string light in there, electric or battery operated. It'll look nice too. So amongst other bottles and a certain kind of lighting, it'll be all sparkly, you know. So this one right here, someone donated this bottle. And so I'm going to bling this bottle out for you guys the way I did this one. So if you want to see how that works and how that turns out, don't go nowhere and I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay, these are the items I'll be using. I have the sheets, 2 sheets of the diamond wrap with the adhesive backing, some gold trim with adhesive backing, and I have silver pearls, and some leftover diamond wrap. And these are leftover acrylic gems from the trumpet vase DIY. This also is non-adhesive gold bling ribbon, and I also have gold glitter ribbon. I have my strips already cut out of the bling wrap, and that's how I will be applying it piece by piece, starting with the neck of the bottle. And right here, guys, you see I've already gone down 1/3 of the way on this bottle. And due to the way the bottle is shaped at this point, it was a little bit of a challenge, but it's a good thing that this bling wrap, is made with string. So the string really helps to be able to adjust and shape this bling wrap or diamond wrap over this area of the bottle. This is where I put in more detail around this logo on this part of the bottle. Here I put glue on the bottle and finish applying the bling wrap. Right here is where it gets a little easier. As I said a few minutes ago, the thing about this wrap is that it has some give because it's connected together by threads. The pieces are connected by threads, so those threads give you some kind of ability to be able to adjust by pulling and tugging and shifting that bling around so that you can make the pieces fit in place. and it just shapes around the bottle. And you just push and mash and squeeze, and you can feel how the bling wrap shifts. So far, so good. Now I'm going to put some bling wrap on both sides of the bottle. And I will finish applying the bling wrap the rest of the way. And I'll come back and show you what we'll be doing next. I have 2 pieces of the bling ribbon or the glitter ribbon that I will be applying to the neck. And in between those 2 pieces of gold glitter ribbon, I will be applying this diamond wrap. And this is where I will be applying that leftover piece of bling wrap, and I will putting the gold glitter tape over top of that, right in the midsection of the neck of the bottle. Trying to make sure I line it up really well with the tape, the glitter tape that's underneath. You have to give it a good squeeze to make sure the adhesive stays on. Now I will be applying the other glitter ribbon. I will embellish the top of the bottle with this other gold trim. I will also be putting that trim around the logo of that bottle, as you see here, and I will be applying that trim around the bottom of this bottle. And here you see I will be using these flat adhesive pearls around the label. I do this on the back also. This is what we have so far. It's turning out really well. Looks good. Here I'm gluing the trim in place. I'm using a row of the gold flat adhesive pearls. I'm going to put that over top of the gold ribbon, and I'm going to put another underneath that gold ribbon. I decorated the lid or the cap of this bottle also. Look at that bling diamond wrap. That really gives this bottle the wow factor. Beautiful, guys. Now I'm going to put some trim around the bottom. I'll be using the same gold trim. I realized that these acrylic gems weren't necessary, so I didn't get a chance to use them this time. So I'm going to use this gold trim around the bottom. The same trim that I used around the neck. The same wrap that I used around the neck of the bottle, I'm also going to use that on the top of the lid. And I used another row of the adhesive pearls to outline that. There it is. As you see, guys, it is almost done. I still have to put the lining around the label in the back, and that will be it. Now, this is the final result. All done. That is so lovely. Look at that. I think that it turned out very well, guys. What did you think? Leave a comment below if you like the content that I put out today. Give me a thumbs up for a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and welcome to my new subscribers. I thank you guys very much for subscribing. And hey, stay tuned for the next future DIY project. Bye-bye.